everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus Nord N100. So before starting my video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord N100 you are having any Bluetooth related issue, your Bluetooth is not connecting or not working, you can solve all this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus Nord N100. Let's watch the video.